a drama. An invisible band. Characters: Samina Kotwarkar, Aisha Fansofkar, Afra Farnis, Muzaifa Solkar, Tamanna Dhalvelkar, Aisha Siddiqa and Sabrin Khan. What are you doing?
I am sitting on this invisible bench.
Can I join you?
Sure.
Both Samina and Aisha sit down on the bench when Afra walks up to them.
What are you doing?
We are sitting on this invisible bench.
Can I join you?
Sure. Samina and Aisha move to one side. All three sit down again when Muzaifa and Tamanna walk up to them.
What are you guys doing?
We are sitting on this invisible bench.
Sure.
They get up, move a little to one side. All 5 children sit down, forming a line. Siddiqa walks on stage.
What are you guys doing?
Just sitting on this invisible bench.
No, you aren't. I moved the bench over there.
Oh no! They all fall down.
Ha 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 ha. Let's do that again.
The first 5 children move to one side and then sit down again.
What are you guys doing?
Just sitting on this invisible bench.
No, you aren't. I moved the bench over there yesterday. But I moved it back here this morning. Okay, that is all right. Can I join you?
Sure.
I have an idea. Let's start again.
Okay. Gets up, walks away and runs up to the children again.
What are you guys doing?
Sitting on this invisible bench.
Oh no! I had just finished painting that bench.
Stand up and wipe the imaginary paint off their backsides.
Let's do that again.
Okay. Samina, Aisha, Afra, Muzaifa, Tamanna sit down on the imaginary bench. Aisha gets up, walks away and comes back again.
What are you guys doing?
Sitting on this invisible bench.
Oh no! I had just finished painting that bench. Oh, that's okay. We all have our invisible paint suits on. Okay.
Up, unzip the front of their imaginary suit and step out. Then they begin to fold the invisible suits.
I have another idea. What are you guys doing?
We are moving this invisible bench.
I heard they are serving invisible cake in that hall there.
All throw down the invisible bench and run in the direction of the hall. Aisha Siddiqa follows.